What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. We have some great news, right? We have a lot of green. Everything's looking good. But before we get into the good news and everything else and some chart analysis, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, right? Because you never know which update is going to be a huge help at the right time and who it could possibly help that you share it to. And always comment below because you might know something we don't know. And as always, guys, everything we share here is only entertainment education purposes. It is not financial advice. You do what you want with this information. I'm just sharing how we are operating over here and how we are seeing things over here at Bullish Currency Community. So let's get into it. So Shiba Inu, right? We see a lot of green. We see a lot of green. I mean, it looks good, right? We're up about 12, 13% right now. Everything else is green. 83% right now with 24-hour volume. It's looking really good. Like it's been a while since we've seen everything be so green, right? It's currently at the moment bullish, right? And we're gonna get into some chart analysis, but let's take a look right here. Okay, so it is, a little teeny bit, lower, but no, maybe the same, almost the same, right? So we're either way, we're still holding strong, close to a million holders. That's a good sign. A lot of people are not panicking, and our holders have increased throughout the dip, right? And the correction that's going on. So everything else I see is looking good. There's a lot of green, right? Let me see what else. If we have anything over here. Let's check the news. What do they got? I really don't check the news here too much. Ethereum Well is loading up on 10 altcoins, including new Shiba Inu and Dogecoin Challenger. Interesting. Shiba Inu continues to struggle as price declined 17% in the past week. Shiba Inu 18 up 18%, mid 1 million Shiba holders milestone. Yep. So we got some mixed news, but everything here is green. As you can see, it's getting more and more higher in percentage. So it's really looking good. All right, so let's go over here and take a look at this chart. So as you can see, it actually did bounce off of this trend line, and it bounced right off of this support line as we predicted, as I drew out. But instead of forming this W, it was a less wide W. It wasn't as wide as the one I drew out. But let's see if it still plays out like that. Is it going to come back down and eventually work its way up to where it breaks out of this trend and out of these areas? That's what we would like to see, right? And then we can start consolidating. What I don't like is this very long wick on this bull candle. I like what I see, but I don't like that long wick that is literally bigger, almost twice big as the body of the candle, which is not a good what I would like to see. But nonetheless, we do have a good pattern down here, and we are currently bullish. So you got to be happy about that. We're still ranging overall, but I definitely want to see more bullish power, and I want to see the rest of this play out. This start to break out of this trend is very, very important. When it comes to this chart analysis, that's what I really want to see. It really break out of this trend, guys. And sorry if you hear the dog barking in the background, but it's Thanksgiving. Someone run their dog over, and a little barky because it doesn't want to be in the kennel or whatever. So yeah, and we'll get into that in another video. So everything's green, and I told you in the last video that Satoshi basically tweeted that he had something coming, right? Some news. Well, he said basically tweeted. He actually tweeted, and I have it right here. It says, as promised, tomorrow I'll have a new medium giving details about Shiba Inu games and introduce the consultant lead who will work directly with the AAA. Hashtag Game Studio. He said, I'm so grateful for you, Ryoshi, Research, and the entire Shiba Army, Oshiverse, mobile gaming. Right, so he's updating on the gaming concept. So that's basically what the news is, and that's actually a great direction for Shiba Inu right now to go into. And we already knew that because they also dropped NFTs. They're going in the right direction. They're making the right moves. So I'm still very, very bullish with this project as always, guys. Right, so I see everything better today than yesterday. So of course I'm still feeling good about Shiba Inu and the progress it's making and what it's doing. I think on the chart overall, we're just seeing the correction take place, and we should start seeing it balance out a little bit more and get more of a solid consolidation, less making new lows. We should start to see that here soon, which would be the first good sign. And then, of course, it breaking back up to these previous levels would be the next great sign to see when it comes to just chart analysis with these candlesticks. So that's basically where I'm at, guys. I feel very bullish. We were here yesterday. I kind of told you what was going to happen. That was a nice little move for traders and even individuals who just want to get in and out, you know, with a bag, right? Quick portfolio in and out, right? Not quick portfolio, but you guys know what I mean. Like a quick investment, even if you're not trading, just kind of buying a certain amount and then, you know, getting rid of it when you see something on a chart. And that trend line right there was a great area in general. As you can see, that's exactly what a lot of people took advantage of. That's what happened, right? It's pumping up. A good amount of those people that benefited from this pump up basically got rid of it, sold, right here, which was a good move. It was a good move. We're talking like what, from like quad 037 all the way up to quad 047. Sheesh, that's a big move. That's a good move. That's a good bag. So bravo to those people that did that, and who saw the video and took advantage of that, because that's exactly what we were waiting for. We were waiting for these key confirmations. Not only did you get this big old strong bullish engulfing candle, but you did get that moment where it came back down and retest this area where you could have you know, decided to take the project serious a little bit more and give it a stronger look, if you know what I mean, right? So definitely so far so good. Everything is looking good, guys. Nothing to worry about. Everything's green. 82% in 24-hour volume, right? 12% gain, right? Good and bad news, whatever. It is what it is. We are still here. We're holding strong. So that's it, guys. I'm bullish. I already showed you what I need to play out on the chart. I drew it out for you. So let's wait for that to play out, guys. We'll come back and look at this and we'll be like, oh my God, it actually moved exactly like that. And then we're going to be extremely excited. Of course, right? The Shiba Army is going to be happy, right? Because bullish is what we want, right? As always, guys. And that's kind of where I'm at with this project. So until the next video, guys, stay blessed and stay bullish.